Are you looking to add your social media icons to your Shopify store? Well, if that's the case, then you've come to the right place, because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you need to do. And I'm also going to be walking you through a solution as well. I've come to realize that many store owners are not sure how to add social media links to their store, and that's particularly true for the social media platforms that Shopify doesn't currently list in the options. So I'll be walking you through that as well. So if that sounds like what you're looking for, then be sure to keep on watching. Either way, let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to visit your admin interface. And from here, you want to click on Online Store. Then you need to click the Customize button, and you'll be presented with the store editor, as I'm sure you've been on before. Now, the first thing I would do is I would just run this check. So go to the footer section of your store and make sure that the Show Social Media Icons option is selected, because that's going to be really important for the next step. If it's not, check it and then hit save. Next, you want to go to your theme settings, and this interface will open up on the right hand side, and then you want to scroll down to the social media section. Now here you can list all of your different social accounts, and Shopify have made it quite easy for us by just giving us an example of what it needs to look like. So in all of these boxes, you basically need to enter the link to your social media profile. So these are all the official Shopify links here. So I'm going to set those up just to show you how it works. But of course, you would need to update this with your own Twitter handle or social media profile. So I'm going to do a Control-C and I'm going to Control-V in each of these and then quickly swap them out just to get that kind of completed quickly. And I'm just going to show you how that works. And you may have noticed while I was doing that the icons started to appear on the store, which is great. And we're going to check those in a moment. And that's one thing I would also recommend, is that you check the links, because as this is a text field, if you get this link wrong at all, either the link is not going to work or it's going to take you through to somewhere you don't want to go. And obviously you want to make sure that you check this before launching or before your customers and store visitors start, going off to the wrong place. So make sure this is all kind of set up correctly. Hit save, and now we can refresh the store, and you can see the icons have now appeared. So if I click on each one, it's going to take me through to the social profile that I've set up. So this is the Shopify's official Twitter page, and the same would happen for Facebook. I'm going to do it in a new tab, and Pinterest. So Facebook and Pinterest. Excellent. So that's how to set up social media icons. Obviously, always go into the customizer and go through all of the ones you want to add. We've obviously got Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat, YouTube, and Vimeo. So there's obviously quite a few to add here, which is fantastic. But, as I mentioned at the start of this video, some people find that they actually want to add other social media accounts that aren't listed here, or they don't want the icons and they want links instead. Well, what's the solution to this issue? Well, I'm going to show you now. So what you want to do is, so I'll make sure this is all saved, is you want to head out of the editor and you want to go to navigation. Now you have two options here. You can either create a new menu and show that, or you can add to an existing menu. So for instance, we could edit the footer menu and add links there. But I'm actually going to create a new menu to show you how this is going to work. So I'm going to go add menu, and I'm going to say find us on social media. This is going to be the name of this this section. And now we just need to add new menu items. So click add menu items, and let's say we want to add our profiles here. So Twitter, for instance. So just call it Twitter. That's going to be the link that's clickable. So you can name that whatever you like. That could be find us on Twitter, or, just whatever you want there. I'm just going to have Twitter for now because I've got the find us and the title. And then left click on this section here, and this is all kind of internal links, but you want an external link here. So you want to put HTTPS. This is going to be the same link that we found on the social media icon page. And I'm going to do Shopify again for now. When I say Shopify, I'm going to do the official Shopify link for now. And you want to click this. Once it's typed out and you've checked it, click this link, and that's going to lock it in, and press add. So we've got Twitter here. I'll do one more. Add menu item. Let's go Facebook, and I'm going to go https facebook.com/Shopify. Make sure you click this so it's in there, and click add, save. Excellent. So we've created a new menu called Find Us on Social Media. Now the last thing you need to do is you need to go back into your, so click online store and go back into your customize. And we need to add this, I want to add it to the footer. So here we want to add a new block, menu. So add new block, click the menu button. Here, we're going to call this Find Us on Social Media. See that here? Change from the footer menu. So click this, Find Us on Social Media, select. See that here? Excellent. Now we can have that on the right hand side, we could have that, you know, in the middle, or we could have it on the left. So I'm going to put it on the left for now. Hit save. Now if I go back into my store, obviously you can't see it there, we're going to hit refresh. Now it's appeared, and if I click this link, or you know, I'm going to do it in a new tab, the same thing works. So we can head over to our social media. Obviously you need to put your own link in, as I suggested earlier, but that would take you to your social media profile via a link. So we've got the two different options there. So I hope this video was useful. If it was, please do hit the like button. That tells me I should continue making videos like this. And if you have any questions about what I've done today or Shopify in general, drop them in the comment section down below. And do consider subscribing to my channel. I've got a lot of different videos on Shopify and building an online business with different tutorials which may be of benefit. So with that said, I hope you have an excellent day.